Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Tesla pumped 7% yesterday. Crypto market's pretty stable. MCRT pumping a bit, which is beautiful. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm going to show you technical analysis and how I would trade them, where I would open trades. None of this is financial advice. It's where I trade and what I do with my money. You have to do your own due diligence, consult your brokers, your financial professionals. I trade cryptocurrencies and stocks, and I stack cryptocurrencies as stocks. I buy them low and I sell them high. Right now, my portfolio is Bitcoin, MCRT, Ethereum, FXS, Uniswap, BNB, and on stock side, Tesla, Google, Facebook, TSM. Tesla pumping 7%, Google pumping, which is beautiful. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. And yesterday, the market, Tesla up 7%, 7.3%, having that bounce. Let's see now if it finishes that fourth to fifth wave. Meta up 2.3%, TSM up 1.6%, Nasdaq 1%, Google 1% point something percent. So the market is getting a bit of bounce back. Bitcoin at 26K, stable coining, still in this symmetrical triangle. This is Bitcoin on the hourly charts, and when we zoom out, you can see the bigger formation. It broke this orange one-year trend line. So Bitcoin broke this orange one-year trend line. It's moved up this Elliott wave count, and we're getting that correction that I foretold down to the C line. Now we've got to see if the Elliott wave count restarts again, which it should. We should be getting the next impulse waves up. Stochastic is quite oversold on the daily, on the 4 hourly quite overbought. The way you read this, when these lines are below the dotted lines, it means it's oversold. A good time to be buying. When it's above the dotted lines, it means it's overbought. A good time to be selling. So you can see right now that Bitcoin is quite on the weekly and the daily, it's quite oversold now. So I think we should be getting a bounce here to start the next impulse waves, but we got to get a confirmed strong bounce. Right now, Bitcoin had the bounce, but no real movement after, no follow through, which is quite alarming. This is when we zoom in closer, 4 hourly, each of these candles represent 4 hours. We're looking at Bitcoin in this symmetrical triangle. Most likely it's going to do a double bottom. Usually when it liquidates everyone and goes down to 24, usually you get a double bottom there. So I do expect Bitcoin to come down to that 24K before, and that's where I would open a long. If you haven't caught a long yet, I would open the long from there. This trade here, opening at 24,218, stop loss 23,720, and take profit 31,000. Risk to reward 15 times, risking $498 to make $7,495 with 10x leverage, $74,000. That's a trade I would open on Bitcoin, waiting for it to come back to this double bottom. And at that point, we have a lot of support. Like here, we have a lot of support. Why? Because back from 2022 to 2023, this was a major resistance. The longer the price stays at a point where the resistance or support, the stronger that support or resistance becomes. So because Bitcoin spent so long in 2022 at getting rejected off this, that's now become a strong support, and we should have a few months of this being able to hold as a strong support. That's why I think the Elliott wave count will start soon. So I would go long from that 24K to restart the next wave. C-wave correction happened a lot quicker than I expected, actually. 25K was my target, and it hit it very quickly. 24K it even came down to. So that's a trade I would take on Bitcoin. If you want to trade Bitcoin under this video, you can find the links down below. One, to the courses, jamescryptoguru.com. You can learn how to trade, how to open spot positions, buy crypto, sell crypto, trade crypto. Number one. Two, trading using Bybit. That's the second biggest exchange volume-wise, and in my opinion, the safest exchange. Two, $30,000 free bonus when you meet their trading requirements if you use that link. And three, join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you trading together. Let's go into Ethereum now. Ethereum trades, and in the next video in 12 hours, I'll do Bitcoin and the tech stocks before the market opens. Ethereum also stable coining, also oversold. Volume not bad, but no major volume. It's also wicked down to 1465, so that's where I would open a long on Ethereum. I'll keep the same long, 1467, stop loss 1436, take profit 1840, risk to reward 11 times, risking $31 to make $372 with no leverage, 10x leverage 3,720, 100x leverage 37,000. That's the trade I would take on Ethereum on the bounce, which is beautiful. Yeah, those are my two trades. And looking at the market, what I've been doing, if this is Bybit. Once you sign up, I have $316,832 in discount. My Bitcoin long 2.3 Bitcoin, it's about $60,000 trade, $1,187 in the profits. And in here I'm holding Bitcoin 2.6, so 70,000, Doge 58,000, Doge pulling back a little bit, Uniswap I've got 57,000, Uniswap going lower, which is interesting, lower than the strong support. That's not good news. USDT 27k, MCRT 25k, up 2% today, FXS 13k, up 1.3%. FXS showing strength, so I'm going to buy another $1,000 worth of FXS. Done. I just bought $1,000 worth of FXS. Those are my updates on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, comment down below what you want me to analyze and what is your portfolio. List your tickers. So mine is BTC, Ethereum, FXS, UNI, BNB, MCRT, TSM, Tesla, Google, Facebook. List your tickers down there. What is your portfolio? Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.